Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you the solution to solve the problem existing with Bajaj EMI credit card. Even I have faced the issue that I was unable to shop online with the Bajaj credit card. Recently I have applied for Bajaj EMI credit card and I got approval and they gave me limit up to 35,000, and after that I just paid some amount and the card was activated within 2 to 3 days. Okay, everything was fine. And after that I just went to shop online. I just tried to purchase some wristband, or I tried to purchase mobile. But when when we are about to pay, at the payment page it's showing that this payment method is not currently available for this purchase. So this error is not only on Amazon, it comes on Flipkart or whatever online shopping sites. So then what I did, I just contacted a Bajaj credit card department and they told that you just clearly listen this, because before applying credit card they don't tell us, but after getting credit card, after getting approval and after getting credit card only we come to know that this card is not able to transact on online like Amazon, Flipkart, because the first transaction should be done only from the offline stores. So you can see here, you would be able to use your EMI card for the purchase of any consumer durable or lifestyle products like TV, washing machine, etc. from our authorized dealers like Vijay Sales, Chroma, Ezone, Hometown, Home Center. So first transaction should be only from offline store. Then only our card will be activated for online transactions. So this is the first hidden rule that even many people don't know. So we think that we got credit card so we can shop online. So that's absolutely wrong. First transaction should be made on offline stores, then only we can shop online. So that is the hidden rule. And here the solution is, only we have to go offline store and we have to shop offline first for the first time, then only our card will be activated for online purchases. So this is the hidden rule and no one knows. And if I get more comments or more likes, definitely I will go to offline stores and I will inquire about the minimum purchase, because I even asked Bajaj credit card department what is the minimum purchase for offline stores. They told that just go to offline store and you can get the details from offline stores. So if I get more comments or more likes, definitely I will go to offline stores and I will ask them what is the minimum amount to be shopped for the first time. That is the thing. And next, how you can find the offline stores nearby. So here I will give you the link in the description. So with the help of this link you can find the nearby offline store, so you can go there and shop offline. So I will give you the link in the description. Click on the link and it will redirect you to the Chrome or whatever the browsers you are having. And after redirecting, so it will be like this. So what you have to do, so after clicking on the link it will redirect you to some Chrome. Then after going to that site, and you just type your nearby city. If you are living in the city, no problem, you type your city, or if you are living far from the city, you can type your nearby city. So my nearby city is Khammam, so I am typing Khammam. So they will show nearby stores. Okay, after typing our nearby city, so they will show the offline stores which are available in your nearby city. So here they have shown me something. Okay, so you can see here they shown one offline store. You just, it will be like this. You just click on this and Neha AC World, so road Khammam, India. So I have just typed my nearby city, and in nearby city there is one offline store, that is Neha AC World. So there if I shop for the first time, my card will be activated for online transaction. So like that you can type your nearby city and get the details about the offline stores that are near to you. Okay, thank you.